Jonathan here with Darrow Kia. It's a beautiful day outside, and I thought it would be a great time to go over a little bit of this or that. So I have two beautiful vehicles here. 2024 Forte GT, 2025 K5 GT. So both of these are quick, performance-oriented sedans with a surprising amount of space inside and level of practicality and livability. You don't have a compromised and horrendously tight suspension, but a sporty one. And might be hard to figure out which one's best for you. So if you are in the market for a new sport sedan, we have the K5 here, 2.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, the same engine that we have in the higher end of our gas model Sorrentos. And then with the Forte, the 1.6 turbo that is exclusive to this guy, and then a couple other performance-oriented models. So both of these are quick, incredibly fun cars with a surprisingly throaty little growl to their powertrain that are also pragmatic, have relatively good fuel economy, and you can't go wrong either way. However, generally what you'll find is this K5 is going to be more amenable if you have a small family, use the back seat more routinely. It's a little wider, more capacious trunk, and it's also more expensive. What you get with more expensive though, it does have a beautiful interior, freshly updated for the 25 model year. You have dual pane 12.3 inch screens across the dash, as well as a full suite of driver assistance features. And then the Forte, you are not roughing it by any means. For a compact sedan, you have impressive space for its class. You have impressive features as well, and a very upmarket interior, just not quite on the level of what you get in the K5. So again, there's really no way you can go wrong, but K5, if you want a little bit more space, a little bit more daily comfort, and the Forte, if you want something that is just cartoonishly fun to toss around with a lot of power for its size, it's a blast. So if you need any help deciding between the two or have any questions, shoot us a call or stop by today.